how to make a honey and onion medicinal preparation to calm a cough. Coughing is one of the defense mechanisms that the immune system activates when it notices the presence of foreign substances or pathogens that interfere with respiratory health. But do you know how to calm a cough? Coughing is characterized by an explosive flush of air from the lungs. It's generally accompanied by respiratory irritation and phlegm. It's not a disease, but it originates as a symptom of respiratory tract infections, including common colds and bronchitis. While coughing is very common and can accelerate the recovery process, many prefer to treat it to reduce its severity. Fortunately, besides cough syrups and pharmacological remedies, there are also 100 natural recipes that help relieve coughing. Among these is a honey and onion medicinal preparation that enhances expectoration and strengthens the immune system. Do you want to try it out? Honey and onion medicinal preparation to calm a cough. The honey and onion medicinal mixture is an old treatment used to clear the airways. Due to its great effect, it's used as a supplement to reduce chronic coughing and congestion. Also, its mucolytic and expectorating compounds help eliminate excess phlegm that obstructs the airway. In turn, they moisturize the throat and reduce bronchial irritation. The benefits of honey. Thanks to its antibiotic and antiviral effect, honey is one of the natural ingredients that has been used as an alternative against infections that affect lung health. It contains natural enzymes, anti-inflammatory compounds, and potent antioxidants. When absorbed by the body, they favor the expulsion of harmful particles that irritate the airways. High vitamins, minerals, and amino acids contents improve immune function and increase the antibodies' response against bacteria and viruses. In addition, it also has an expectorant effect that helps expel mucus secretions. Its moisturizing power soothes the throat and soothes irritation resulting from violent coughing fits. We recommend that you fight phlegm with this honey carrot syrup. The benefits of onions. Onions are a traditional ingredient in the treatment of respiratory diseases. Their high essential nutrient content strengthen the defenses and help stop the attack of infectious microorganisms. They're full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect the airways against the harmful effects of free radicals. Plus, they have a powerful expectorating action that favors the expulsion of viruses and bacteria when you cough. They also help reduce nasal congestion, sore throat, and other symptoms that often come with a cough. It doesn't produce unwanted side effects. Instead, it promotes the elimination of toxins that interfere with immune and lung health. See also, calm your cough naturally with these 5 homemade expectorants. How to make this honey and onion medicinal preparation. This medicinal preparation is suitable for both adults and children. It doesn't contain chemicals and its ingredients don't hurt the digestive system. Also, it's both indicated to control coughing spells and is also a remedy to strengthen the defenses and prevent infection. Ingredients: 2 onions, 1 cup of organic honey, 335 grams. Utensils: knife and cutting board. Jar with lid. Preparation: peel the onions, put them on the cutting board, and cut them into pieces or slices with a knife. Place the pieces of onion in a glass jar and then cover them with organic honey. Cover the lid and let stand in a cool, dark place for 8 to 10 days. After this time, strain and put away. How to take the preparation. In case of a severe cough, take a spoonful of the remedy every 2 or 3 hours. As a preventative measure, take a spoonful of the remedy on an empty stomach every day. Optionally, you can dilute the syrup in a bit of warm water to facilitate its consumption. You should take into account that, although it has soothing effects, this remedy doesn't provide immediate effects. Take it continuously for good results. There are many factors that can trigger coughing. For this reason, if the symptom persists or worsens, you should see your doctor to discuss what might be causing it.